Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add baggage in Cebu Pacific after booking. First, go to the Cebu Pacific website or open the mobile app. Click on Manage Booking, then enter your booking reference, also known as PNR, along with your last name or email. After that, click Retrieve Booking to access your reservation. Once your booking is open, look for options like Add Baggage or Manage Add-ons. Click on it to continue and view the available baggage options. Next, choose the baggage weight you want, such as 15 kilograms, 20 kilograms, or 32 kilograms. Then, apply it to either to one passenger or to all passengers depending on your needs. After that, carefully check the passenger's name, flight details, and selected baggage weight. Make sure everything is correct before moving to the payment step to avoid any mistakes. Now, proceed to payment. Use your card or any available payment method and confirm your purchase once the payment is complete. Finally, after payment, your booking will be updated automatically. You will receive a confirmation on the screen or via email, and your baggage will be successfully added to your ticket. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.